Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com. And first off, sorry for running a little bit late today. Usually I try to come live around 1:30 p.m. Eastern time, but today I actually went to my son's school. They have Education Week going on, and so they invited parents to come and observe a class. So I wanted to actually observe Ian's math class just to make sure that he is paying attention and listening. So, and that happens to go on during my normal video time. So that's why I'm a little bit later today, almost about an hour later, so sorry about that. But I'm so excited that I get to talk to you today about my favorite household cleaner. Oh, hi Ben, thanks for joining. My absolute favorite household cleaner, and that is the Young Living's Thieves Household Cleaner. Now, I'll tell you a number of reasons why I love this cleaner, but the very first reason I love it is because it is based on the Thieves essential oil. So you've probably heard me talk about Thieves oil before and why it's so great. Can't mention bleach here. Then. But I'll tell you why Thieves oil, as we know, is really great for immune system support. It's also really good for respiratory system support, but it's also really good to use in cleaners because Thieves oil, if you're not aware, is actually comprised of a blend of essential oils. It actually is made up of, for instance, lemon is in Thieves oil, and why that's great for cleaning is because lemon is a disinfectant. It's also antibacterial and antifungal, so that's really great to be included, like I say, in cleaners. Also in Thieves is rosemary, cloves, cinnamon, and eucalyptus, actually. So Thieves oil, like I say, is what this product line is based on, which is great because, like I say, we know how powerful Thieves oil is. Now, I'll tell you another reason why I absolutely love this household cleaner. Actually, before I get started telling you too much about this cleaner, in case you're curious, I'm gonna drop the link so you can learn more about the Young Living's household Thieves cleaner if you are not aware about it yet. Like I said, let me drop that link here. And you will see on there two different pricing for it. That's because there's wholesale and retail, and I'll talk about that here in a second, or in a few minutes actually. But first, let me go ahead, there we go. Okay, so there's the link to the Thieves household cleaner. Now, like I said, there's a number of reasons why I love it. It is, not only is it non-toxic, and so it is safe to be used around everyone. Kids, adults, pets, you name it. So I love it for that reason as well. It's also tough. Like, it can really get out some tough stains. So for instance, you might think, oh, it's all natural, it's non-toxic, so maybe it can't get out some of the really hard stains. That's not true. In fact, you can use this for scrubbing, you can use it for degreasing, you can use it for cleaning your countertops, you can use it for glass work, you can use it for dusting. It is truly a it's a multi-purpose cleaner. So in fact, I will show you here in a little bit, but this one is basically, this is how it's heavily concentrated. This is diluted. This is my spray bottle that I keep in my kitchen right here every single day under the kitchen sink, basically, and I use it just to clean the countertops, actually. And so I'll tell you a little bit more about how to dilute it and all that kind of good stuff. But it can be used for so many different purposes in your home and on so many different surfaces. So like I say, you can use it on your floors, you can use it on your carpets, you can use it on glass, you can use it on your countertops, you can use it on your walls. So like I say, most surfaces you can use it for, and like I say, you can use it for things that are minor issues, or you can use it for things that like a major degreasing. So there's a lot of different purposes that you can use your Thieves cleaner for. It's plant-based, like I said, so it is all natural. So like for instance, I'll tell you why I got so excited about the Thieves cleaner is because I would always, I don't want to use a name brand, but I was always use the wipes, if you know what I mean, like those that come in those tubes. I would always use those wipes to wipe down our countertops in the kitchen here, and then often thought, like, after I wiped the countertops down, like a few minutes later, I was going to be making my son's lunch on those exact same countertops for school the next day, and I was like, gosh, I know there's chemicals in this product, in those wipes, so therefore there's going to be chemicals in his food because I'm laying it right on it after I've cleaned it. And I always wondered, like, it just made me feel gross. I just didn't like that reality. So I don't worry about that now because I use the Thieves cleaner, because the Thieves, like I say, it is all natural, non-toxic. You can literally spray your fruits and vegetables with this cleaner and to clean them and still obviously consume the fruits and veggies. So it truly is safe for everybody, for, like I say, for kids or pets. So if you have like more of the information that you need, but like sometimes my son, he's sick, so sometimes like he'll randomly lick me, and I'm like, you're not a dog, why are you licking me? But like, and it's just like he'll lick. Here's another example, like he'll lick, like when we're making some like cookies or like batter from like brownies or something, he'll get on the countertop, rather than wipe it down, like he'll lick it off. And before I was like, oh, there's got to be chemicals on that. Like I know there is. Now I don't worry about it because I wipe the countertops down with our Thieves cleaner. So just things like that, like especially if you have little kids, like little kids, I would definitely be cognizant of how many chemicals we're using in our house. And so being able to use an all natural natural, non-toxic cleaner, I think is really important, so we don't have to worry about that. So like I said, that's just some of the reasons why I love it. I love it because it's effective. I think not only is it an effective cleaner for multiple purposes in our house, it's non-toxic, it's safe for everybody, it's safe for pets too. And not just that, I love it from a frugal side too, because if you're not aware, and you may not be, but this bottle right here that you can get on Young Living's website, like I said, I put the link down there to get to the household cleaner. It is, how much is this? It's $22.50 for the wholesale price, okay? And I'll tell you how to get the wholesale price versus the retail price. And the retail price is like $29 and change. And you might think, $22.50, that is a lot for a cleaner. But this is ultra concentrated. So what that basically means is you're gonna be using this in capful sizes, okay? So when you're actually using to clean different things in your house. So for instance, I use this spray bottle and it sits underneath my kitchen sink right over there. It sits underneath my kitchen sink, and this is the exact one that we use to wipe our countertops down every single night. And to make a 32-ounce spray bottle, you only need 2 capfuls of this. So this is a 14.4-ounce bottle. So this, like I say, it's around 22 and change for this bottle. Plus you're gonna pay shipping and tax. But, so let's say around $30 for this bottle, okay? But in this size bottle is about 60 to 65 capfuls. So in here, in a 32-ounce spray bottle, I only needed 2 capfuls to fill this all the way to the top, okay? I've been using it. But when this is a 32-ounce, when you fill it all the way to the top, so you will get approximately about 30 of these spray bottles out of just one of these containers. So if you do the math then, and I'll put a caveat on that, in that quite honestly, it just depends on also like when you're diluting it, what purpose you're using it for, and I'll tell you more about that in a second. So bottom line is this is around, let's say around $30 when you include your tax and your shipping. And you're gonna make about 30 of these spray bottles. And this is, like I say, your multi-purpose cleaner, okay? So that is about then $1 a spray bottle. Because if you're making 30 of those and you're getting about, and this costs about $30, it's about $1 a bottle. I did some price comparisons just last night because I haven't bought typical cleaners in a while, but I got on Target and was just kind of looking at some of the normal cleaners. I'm not gonna name any brand names, but very typical cleaners. And what I will say, and these are the toxic ones, these are not the all-natural ones, which can tend to be, or the non-toxic, which can tend to be even more expensive, but the price ranges I saw were around $2.49 to around $3.29 for 32 ounces, and that's what this is, 32 ounces. So you could pay basically 2 to 3 times as much. So you could pay about $2.50 to about $3.29, or about $1 a spray bottle. Now, like I said, there was a caveat to that because it depends on what you're using this cleaner for. So if you're using like I said, this is my all-purpose, cleaner that I use for the countertops. But say that you want to use it for a degreaser. Say you have something that has a lot of grime on it. You really need it to be more concentrated than this. So you're gonna, instead of doing, this is 1 capful to 30 parts water. Now, if you need more concentrate, like I say, you're using a major degreaser, you're gonna do maybe 1 capful to 15 parts water. So you won't get, like I say, 30 spray bottles, you'll get half that. So it really depends on what you're using it for. But say you're using it on glasswork, you're gonna be able to dilute it even more because if you use 1 capful of this cleaner, if you're using it on glasswork, you only need about 1 capful to about approximately 50 to 100 parts water. So it will be able to stretch even further for you. So what I recommend doing, what I do actually in my house, is I have other spray bottles labeled like glass cleaner on it or degreaser on it, and then that way I know that, oh, the degreaser is more concentrated, this is strictly for those sort of purposes. But this is my all-purpose cleaner. Like I said, this is what I use it for most of the time, and then I get about 30 spray bottles out of just one of these cleaners, out of one of these highly concentrated bottles. So like I said, it really depends on what you're using it for, and if you're confused on like what the conversion is, like if it's a degreaser, how many parts is it, they explain to you right on the back. Like they'll say, heavy degreasing, 15 parts water, 1 part cleaner. But like I say, if you're using glass, they recommend you can go to 50 to 100 parts water to just 1 capful. So like I said, it stretches quite a while. And if you think about it, how long is 30 of these gonna last you? I mean, probably quite a while, I would imagine. So it's really, like I say, a tremendous value because getting a typical cleaner at Target or at the grocery store, wherever you buy your cleaners, are gonna probably run you 2 to 3 times more than what this cleaner is. Like I said, it's just that because it's just so highly concentrated, it stretches a lot further. So why I love this Thieves cleaner is A, like I say, it's an incredibly effective cleaner. B, it is safe. It is safe for your kids, your pets, you name it. And also, like I say, it's frugal. It's cheaper than any cleaner that I was buying before I started using Thieves cleaner. So those are the reasons that why I love it. So if you're curious on, I'm sure I'm gonna get this question because I get this asked a lot, is how do I get the wholesale pricing? Because the wholesale pricing for this, like I say, was at $22.50. And that's for this, like I say, it makes about 30 of these spray bottles if you're using this like a multi-purpose cleaner. And the retail price is 24% higher than that, so it's around $29 and change. The way you get the wholesale pricing is to just become a Young Living Essential Oil member. And all you have to do is basically buy a starter kit. Now, it doesn't matter which starter kit you get. It doesn't matter if you buy one that's $160. It doesn't matter if you buy one that's $45. You get the exact same discount. Think of it like your Costco membership. You know, you're gonna get the same membership discount as the other people, you know, if you bought one of the higher levels of memberships or not. So, like I said, once you buy one of those starter kits, you will go ahead and for 12 months get that wholesale pricing. Do you have to buy anything during those 12 months? Nope. Do you have to sell anything? Nope. Can you? Sure, if you want to, but there's no obligation. Nobody's gonna bug you to make sure that you have to tell 10 of your best friends about it or anything like that. Like I said, you simply just get the 24% discount for 12 months. After that point, you just have to spend about 50 PV, which is about $50, and you can be a wholesale member for the next 12 months again. So if you're wanting to get started with Thieves Cleaning, and like I say, using this non-toxic cleaner, and you want to get the wholesale membership, I encourage you to think about they have what now is a Thieves starter kit. Now this, I'm so glad they do this because you get to try some of the best, like I say, Thieves cleaning products and personal care products, and it is a tremendous value. So basically in the starter kit, you will get, let me get this all laid out here because I've got several of these items for you. So in the Thieves kit, it's $160, but remember the other premium starter kit, it's $160, but I will give you $25 back in the form of either PayPal cash or Amazon gift card. You pick what you prefer. And so it makes it about $135 plus shipping and tax after the promotions. So what you will get in here is, I'm so glad they do this, you will get a huge 15 ml of Thieves essential oil. Why that matters is, as we know, especially this time of year, Thieves oil is awesome for immune system support. It's also really, really good for respiratory support, among other things. Thieves oil is one of the best oils to have on hand year-round, but especially to keep your family healthy and get safe and away from germs, hopefully, for the entire year. This is the oil you're going to want to have on hand. So you're going to get a huge 15 ml of that included in the whole kit, if you're interested in getting this kit. You will also get to try the Thieves toothpaste. You will also get to try the Thieves mouthwash, which I love. You can also get think about this, 2 of the Thieves cleaners. So if you just factor in how much you will save, you will get 2 of these bottles of Thieves cleaner. And you will get about 60 spray bottles worth of if you're using it as a household cleaner. How much would that in and of itself cost you? 60 household cleaners. I mean, that's almost the price of the kit already. So it's a tremendous value. Like I said, you will also get 2 of the Thieves foaming hand soaps, which I love too. You will also get 2 Thieves sprays. You will also get 2 of the Thieves waterless hand purifiers. And I'm so excited they include a 5 ml of the Stress Away. Plus, they will give you, I'm so glad they do this too, they give you, I did a video on this last week, they give you the Aroma Glide roller. Why that matters is what you'll do is you'll pop that on top of your favorite oil. Here, I recommend, like you can do it with Stress Away, for instance, as you'll pop that on top, and it just makes applying your oil that much easier. So like I said, they give you that as well. They will also give you 2 Ningxia Red samples, which is that antioxidant drink that is loaded with vitamins and minerals and actually helps promote energy. So if you're someone who feels a little sluggish, especially midday like this is a great all-natural source of energy and just really good for your body. Plus, you will get a 1 ounce sample of the Thieves cleaner. So you get all of that for $160, plus, like I said, I give you about $25 back, so we'll say it's around $135 plus tax and shipping. Do you have to buy that kit to get started with the Thieves cleaner? No, you absolutely do not. You are more than welcome. If you want to get started with the Thieves cleaner and you want to buy the retail price, it's still a value. If you factor in the retail price, like I said, it's like around $29, and if you add the shipping and handling and tax, so say it's around $40, okay? I'm just estimating because I don't know what the tax is in your area and the shipping and all that, but say it's around $40. $40, but divide it by 30 different, 32 ounce containers, it still makes it like around $1.30 per spray bottle, even if you're paying at the retail price. So it is a real value, whether you're gonna buy it at the wholesale price or the retail price. I will encourage you though, if you think that this is gonna be a cleaner you're gonna want to buy consistently buying, try to see if you can afford to get the Thieves Premium Starter Kit, because it is really gonna maximize your savings, to be honest with you, because in that way, each time you order it, you will get it at the wholesale price and not have to pay the higher retail price. But that's only if that's in your budget and that's something that's interesting for you. But anyways, so I will drop the link now while I think about that before I forget, to the Thieves Premium Starter Kit if you are interested in learning more about that. Like I said, it's $160. You get all the stuff that I mentioned before, and on this website that I'm going to send you the link to, that I'll drop a link down here to, I also, like I said, will give you $25 back in the form of Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. So it makes the kit around, like I said, about $135 plus shipping and tax, which is, like I say, a tremendous value for all that you get for that. All right, so there you go. So you can either, like I say, purchase it at the wholesale price or the retail price. If you have any questions about, any essential oils or about using this cleaner, go ahead and message me or leave it down in the comments, or you can always send me an email. I am happy to help. I just wanted to share one of my absolute favorite cleaners with you. I hope that you find it comes in handy for you and your family as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.